Nasaan ang mga epektos?
Sinuli ko na pera nyo, kaya huwag nyo nang pakialaman ng para sa akin.
Tarantado!
Bitawan mo na, kundi mayayari amo mo. Wala na magsusweldo sa'yo. Thank you. Huwag mong bubunutin yan! Nakatutok tong baril sa ulo ng boss mo. Hindi ako nagpunta rito para makipagpatayan. Pero kung pipilitin nyo ako, okay lang sa akin. Madali akong kausap.
Welcome, Mr. Lester.
Thank you.
How was your trip with Mr. Rossmore?
Fine and good. You got smart men.
We'd
Glad
like
to
to
meet
compliment you on your men.
It's part of our security measures for men like you.
Thank you.
Our money's ready. It's all in dollars. How about the merchandise?
It's all here. You can check it out.
No need. I have full confidence in you guys.
Thank you.
Don't worry. We'll take care of everything. Joe, Pogi, dali niyo yung epektos. Kayo, sumunod kayo sa akin.
Beyond this point, you're dead.
Are you police?
Yes, police character. Don't worry, gentlemen. We won't harm you as long as we get what we want. On the floor, please. Keep still. Ano, bili ba kayo sa English ko? Tayo na! Dali! Dali yun, yun ang kalaban! Galing mo, Gilir! Pero ngayon mo lang ginawa yun, ha?
Akala ko nga hindi ko nga mapeperse ulit.
Ayop ka talaga! Pinapili mo kami! Ha?
For more videos and updates, just click here to subscribe.
Laging kasama